Hey guys, Austin Mobile Glass here. Today we are working on windshield repair. This is going to be a 5 Series BMW, and caught a chip, brand new windshield. It was just replaced a couple weeks ago, and as you can see, caught a chip on the passenger side right here. So we're going to get to work on it. First thing, we're going to clean up the glass. I'll place a mirror underneath. We can get a better look at that star brake kind of bullseye combination, and we'll show you each step in the process as we do this repair. Thanks for watching. All right, we can get a better look at it now. Well, let's use the finger and see if we can get the focus here. It is not easy with the reflection, is it? There we go. So, you can see where the rock hit, right there in the center. What we're going to do is drill right in that crushed glass area. That's going to allow us to put resin into the cracked area. All the cracks are going to get filled in with a liquid glass, we call it resin, and that is put in there through just force. So we're going to drill first, and we'll see what it looks like, and then we'll set up our bridge assembly. I'll explain what that is, show you what that is, and get the resin injected into the damaged area. Alright, as you can see, we have the Dremel drill. That's what we use with the glass bit for the drilling, and you can see here we did get it to drill nicely right where it hit, and as you can see, that's the fragments of glass, crushed glass, which we'll clean up here and set up our bridge assembly. Alright, this is what we call the bridge assembly. The centerpiece here is a suction cup that's going to hold the entire piece to the surface of the glass. This is a stabilizer that's going to help hold it still, and then this is the injector, the part that we use to get the resin into the crack. So right over the top of where I drilled, we have it lined up. We'll place resin into this barrel, and then we'll use what's called the plunger, and we just screw that down. As it tightens, obviously it puts pressure on the resin, and the resin works its way through the crack. So the key is to go nice and easy and slow. We need enough pressure to move the liquid glass through the crack without causing the crack to go further. Alright, once we have allowed the resin to work its way through, then we need that to dry or harden, so that liquid turns into just a dry, strong glue holding it all together. That's going to be done by this light here. UV light cures or hardens the resin. So we put the UV light on it for a few minutes, allow that liquid to harden, and then we'll be able to remove that bridge assembly and of course the light, and what we will be left with is the spot where we drill. So that spot on the surface of the glass will still be there. We're going to use a thicker, harder resin. It's called pit resin on the surface. So we'll put that in here in a second, and I'll show you how we seal up the top. Alright, so we did use just a slight little bit of pit filler on the surface. Just the spot where we drilled, and then those little nicks right next to it. Very difficult to see without that mirror. Let's see if we can check it out from the inside and make out where the damage is. That black background right there. We'll zoom in, because that's all that matters, is what it looks like in the end, right? Barely visible, but it is still there. There is still a crack. It is just filled, so it will not spread. So if you guys need help with windshield repair replacement, just give us a call, 512-983-4527. Thanks for watching.